What? Do you know that I could be a lip model? Why did I never think about that? Oh.
Es que tú eres tan picante y cuando me besaste.
My baby's crying. It comes with a little brush.
Okay. Next is what's up? What?
Smell it?
Yes.
Yes. Know what I want to try? Putting it around my eyes. It's not greasy at all. Okay, mommy, see. Wow, pretty. I'm waiting to see if it's spicy. It's SPF 50.
Wow, rich.
Ooh, put too much. Number one thing I love about the sunscreen is it doesn't burn my eyes. Blushes. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. This blush is definitely for clean girl makeup. The packaging is super cute, very aesthetically pleasing.